Week 1, Saturday, April 25th. And no, I know the water's that color. That's what it's supposed to be. I got the minerals. This is day 1, week 1 of my hydroponic garden. This thing's already gonna die, but you know, I might as well try. I'm growing some lettuce right here. I'm trying to grow some cilantro right here, and here. All over there. And then I'm trying to grow some garlic in this. And then some Swiss chard right here. I'm trying to use the roots. And then a beet that I cut the root off of. And it's all the way down in there. And I have some air stones floating around, just some pumice. I got a pump, it's bringing stuff up and everything. And yeah, I also started something in my room as well. This is my indoor garden. I have one of my lettuce plants right there. And I just started some garlic. I don't know how that's gonna work. And then I'm also, a lettuce leaf fell off and I'm trying to save that. And then the rest of these, it's just some Swiss chard seeds. And then I have a crappy water bottle right here. This is like my watering thing. And I just water me plants like that. I'm really excited, honestly. I've never really done anything like this before. There's my computer over there. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.